Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best tanning oils with SPF for 2025. Today, we'll explore why it's essential to protect your skin while you soak up the sun. First, let's understand how SPF in tanning oils works. SPF, or sun protection factor, indicates the level of protection against UVB rays, which are the primary cause of sunburn. When choosing a tanning oil with SPF, look for features like broad-spectrum protection, water resistance, and nourishing ingredients like aloe vera or vitamin E. Now, let's dive into our top picks for 2025. We've researched and reviewed the best tanning oils with SPF that offer both sun protection and skin benefits. We've compared different tanning oils based on their ingredients, effectiveness, and user reviews to help you make an informed choice. To maximize effectiveness, apply tanning oil generously and evenly at least 20 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours or after swimming. Let's debunk some common myths about tanning oils and SPF. Many people think that SPF in tanning oil is unnecessary, but that couldn't be further from the truth. After tanning, it's crucial to keep your skin healthy. Consider using moisturizing lotions, aloe vera gels, or after-sun products to hydrate and nourish your skin. In conclusion, choosing the right tanning oil with SPF is vital for both achieving your tan and keeping your skin healthy. Take your time to find the one that suits your needs best. We'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite tanning oils and experiences in the comments below. Happy tanning!